Hello everyone, I am RK sir. Today we are going to discuss about the voice of future indefinite tense because previous class we have finished that voice of past tense. So that let's start our rule. Our rule is saying that of voice of future indefinite tense, what is it? Subject plus will plus V1 plus object. This is our rule of active voice. So how to change in passive? Very simple. You have to careful. In the place of subject, you have to write the object. After that, you have to repeat here will, but don't forget you have to add here be. After then V3, and you know that V3 is compulsory each and every passive voice. After then by is also compulsory, and you know that in the place of object you have to write here subject. So like that you can change active to passive. So better is that you have to take some example. So my first example is that of active voice. I will teach English. I will teach English. So in Hindi I can say मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाऊंगा. So I is the subject, will is that auxiliary verb, that means helping verb, teach is the V1 and English is the object. You know that our rule is that subject plus will plus V1 plus object. So let's we change in passive voice object to subject. That means in the place of subject you have to write here English because English is playing the role of object. So I can write here English. After then will, because our rule is saying. After then B is also compulsory. After then V3, so here teach is available, so that I can write here taught. Taught is the V3 of teach. English will be taught. After then our rule is saying that by. After then in the place of object you have to write the subject. So here I is available, so I can write here me, but don't put here plus, only you have to write here me. So finally what is the sentence? English will be taught by me. So we can say in Hindi, I will teach English, मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाऊंगा. English will be taught by me, अंग्रेजी मेरे द्वारा पढ़ाया जाएगा. Like that you can change active to passive. So I am taking one more example. I hope you are able to understand. My second example is that he will break mangoes. He will break mangoes. He will break mangoes. That means he is the playing the role of subject. Will is the auxiliary verb. Again I am saying break is that V1 and mangoes is object. So according to our rule is saying in the place of subject you have to write which one? Object. So mango will become subject. So I can write here mangoes. After then according to the rule will, after then be, mangoes will be. Here break is available, so that our rule is demanding V3. So V3 of the break is that broken. So mangoes will be broken. Mangoes will be broken by. Here he is available, so I can write here him, because already you know that he will change in him when you change active to passive. So let's become in Hindi, then I can say he will break mangoes. वह आम तोड़ेगा, या मतलब ढेर सारा आम तोड़ेगा, because here mangoes available, that's why here passive mangoes will be broken by him. आम उसके द्वारा क्या किया जाएगा? तोड़ा जाएगा. Very simple. Active, how to change active to passive? According to this rule, easily you can change active to passive. I hope you are able to understand. So you must practice active to passive because it is very useful for the spoken. I hope you are able to do. So let's start speech. In speech today I have taken very good topic, and it is very important in our life. My topic is that hard work is key of success. That means मेहनत ही सफलता की कुंजी है. That's why I have told you that this topic is very important in our life. So let's start how to deliver speech on this topic. So I am going to start, so you have to follow and you have to elaborate better than me, because this is the initial time, so that I am not elaborating more. You have to elaborate more and more. So let's start. Hard work is key of success. It is proverb. It is real proverb because it is belonging from our life, so that it is very, very important for us. My dear friend, in present, most of the people want to become a doctor, engineer, teacher, banker, good businessman. But how is it possible? It is possible only due to hard work. If they do hard work more and more, again and again, day and night, hot and rain, then they can become a successful person. Otherwise, they can't become a successful person. My dear friend, in present we are a student of RK tutorial, so that for learning English, we will have to come each and every day, and we will have to do hard work more and more, again and again, day and night, hot and rain, with sincerely, regularly, punctually and honestly. Then we can learn English within 6 months. Otherwise, we can't learn English within 6 months. My dear friend, in India, there are lots of examples are available, just like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Ashunta Lakra, Digan Soy. There are lots of examples are available. In present, they are a great person. But here question arises, how is it possible? It is possible only due to hard work. They did hard work more and more, again and again. That's why in present they are a great person. They are able to write a new history in the world, and they are limelight in the world. So that I can say hard work is key of success. So lastly, I want to say, in present we are a student, so we should understand the value of hard work, and we must do hard work, then we can fulfill the dream of our parents. Thank you very much. I hope you are able to understand this topic, and you have to follow this topic. And I have delivered speech in very nutshell, but you have to elaborate more and more. I hope you are able to understand. So we will meet in next class. So thank you very much for watching my video.